Hi, I'm Kevin. I'm a proud Mountain View High School choir dad, and I know we're all really excited about these upcoming choir trips. They're such a great opportunity for our kids. In addition to being a Mountain View High School choir dad, I'm also the owner of a small local business called Certus Managers. We help homeowners all across Silicon Valley earn extra money by managing their homes and their in-law units on Airbnb. So you might be wondering, what's a local Airbnb property management company doing sponsoring a choir booklet? Well, here's the connection. We help local families, just like yours, earn extra money to pay for all the things that are important in your lives. Let me give a few examples. David and Erica, who live right here in Mountain View, they've got a little cottage right next to their house, and they gave it to us to manage on Airbnb, and they use some of that income to pay for their daughter's water polo lessons. And then there's Brian and Rebecca. They travel for a few months every year, and whenever they travel, they give their home to us to manage on Airbnb, and when they come back, there's a nice check waiting for them, and they've been using that money to put it aside for their kids' college funds and towards their remodel. So here's our idea for you. If you're planning on traveling in the next year, or if you have an in-law unit, let us help you turn that unused space into extra income. We handle everything for you. We handle photography, marketing, guest vetting, pricing, maintenance, everything that happens, so that when you come back, you can enjoy that extra income and put it towards whatever matters in your life, whether that's a family vacation or the next choir trip. Again, I'm Kevin, proud Mountain View High School choir dad and owner of Certus Managers. You got my contact information below. Give me a call or text me 650-387-2860.